Victoria. Can you hear me okay?
Good, I'm here.
Awesome. It's so nice to meet you.
Yeah, great to meet
Um,
you too.
I'm Emily. And yeah, thank you so much for signing up for this. I'm excited to help you with the 1940s curls. Very curious, what inspired you to ask that question?
I love that sort of vintage, like dramatic Veronica Lake kind of look, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to try with the rope curl.
I
So,
love it. Okay, Veronica Lake, that helps point me in the right direction. That was gonna be my second follow-up question is like, what do you envision? Because I looked into it a little bit. But what do you envision? So I'm gonna pull up Veronica Lake so we're on the same page here. Cool. Okay, super soft, more face framing, and then like the upfront curls. Cool. That's what I was thinking. Awesome. Um, some fun facts
okay.
about RobeCurls. So I'm the founder and the inventor behind the product. And back in the day when I was trying to figure out a name, I ended up in a wormhole of 1940s hairstyles because of the victory rolls. That was
Oh
all
yeah,
of that
yeah.
era, and it looked so much like this. And so the history behind victory rolls, I just find it so empowering and so cool and so fascinating. But yeah, so I got really excited when I saw your question. But yeah, let me take mine out and I can give you some tips as to what I think will help here. And
Yay.
where are you calling in from?
I'm in LA. Where are you? It looks lovely.
I'm in Puerto Rico. I'm outside.
Oh, nice. My cousins are there right now. They're having the best time. I'm like, it's pouring rain in LA and we're miserable, but they're loving it.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I'm originally from New York, moved out here recently. I absolutely love it. And I'm sorry to hear about all the headaches that are going on in LA right now. My God, I turn on the news and I cannot
It's
believe.
we're just not prepared. We are just not prepared.
Yeah, geez, it's nuts what's happening. Cool. So what I'll do is I'll kind of walk you through some of the tips and tricks that I think will help achieve this style. And if you want, you can mirror me because it might help, I don't know, help with any,
Got my
yeah, you got it there. Cool. All right, don't mind my hair. It's extra curly right now. Doing something
I
different.
love it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I love your hair too. Um,
Yeah.
cool. It's gorgeous. So to start, normally I would say lightly dampen your hair, mostly focusing ear level down. Awesome. You got a spray bottle. Oh, your hair looks so good.
Oh
But yeah,
yeah.
just lightly dampen it, a
Yep.
couple sprays, two or three, focusing on the ear level down. And I would also say maybe get a little bit of the
Yeah.
face framing portion up here, because for the victory roll, you're going to want to get this part as well, nice and wrapped. Cool. And then repeat on the other side, lightly dampening ear level down. Just break it up. Perfect. And your hair should be brushed and parted into two sections. Cool. Awesome. So have it parted into two. You already have a good deep side part, which is what I'm seeing for the 1940 style. So that looks good. What I would recommend with a side part is to go in a little bit here and then kind of zigzag it over to the center once you're about 2 inches down and continue a center part the rest of the way down. And that'll help to just get more even balanced amounts of hair on both sides so that the curls end up more of a similar shape and size on both sides. Perfect. Cool. Beautiful. All right. So now we have the headband. I like to start by folding mine in half. And if you notice, there's an integrate. Yep. Perfect. Folded in half. So there's like a crease right in the middle. Awesome. And you'll notice there's like an integrated wire all along one side and then the plush side's the other side. So when we put it on, you'll want to make sure that the wire is facing forward and that crease will naturally just sit
Oh,
right in the middle of your head. Yep, wire forward. Perfect. That'll help make sure it doesn't feel like it's sliding off or anything. Awesome. And it should be
mm.
about 1 to 2 inches back from your hairline, not too far back. Otherwise, it'll feel like it's sliding off. Perfect. Nailed it. All right. Now, I'll show you what the next step is. Have you done this step yet?
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right. So the next step is to create a pigtail on one side. So I put yep, you got it.
Like that, yeah.
You're so pro, Victoria. You're making my life so easy right now. Like
Happy to
most of my
help.
tutorials. Cool. Okay. So now what we're going to do is take our front section. It should be about a 1 inch thick section that looks good. Yep. And you're going to want to pull it more
Okay.
straight up like alfalfa. Yeah. And then
Oh, like
over.
here. Okay.
Yeah. Like alfalfa. I don't know if it's a good reference. I don't know if anybody gets it anymore. It's an old movie. And then wrap it around. And this will help to get those initial curls in the front, which are like very 1940s. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
And then add another section underneath to it. I would go for larger sections. Sorry, it's windy here. So go for a larger section that you add to it so that it'll be softer waves. Perfect. That looks good. And wrap it up and over.
Okay.
Beautiful, hun. And then do it what yeah. And then do it again. Add one more large section right by the ear and wrap it up and over. Very good. So what I like that you're doing is that you're not wrapping it too tight, which is perfect because you're going to want the softer waves. So you're doing a good job on that. Now you can add all the hair that's left and wrap it around and just keeping it not too tight, just soft and loose. Yep. Perfect.
Okay.
And then add your scrunchie.
Easy.
Easy.
Okay.
Fabulous. Unwrap the other side and repeat.
Okay.
Cool. Now we're going to start with a smaller, again, like 1 inch section in the front. Pull it more straight up like alfalfa and wrap it around.
Yeah.
So you get those front curls. Cool.
Okay.
Great. And now you can add a larger section right underneath it and combine. Beautiful. And wrap it around softly. Awesome. Very good. I'm impressed with your technique. Do it again. Yeah, you're really good. Wrap it around a third time. And now you can just add all the hair that's left. Great. And go till we get to the end. Fabulous. Cool.
All right.
Now, at this point, normally I would say you can twist to tighten it and make it feel more secure, but since you want softer waves, 1940 style, I would say just leave it like this. You can always do the cross in the back like this to secure it in place while you're out and about.
Yeah, it looks a little less wild going places.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little less wild.
Cute.
Perfect. Perfect. And so wait for your hair to be 100% dry before taking it out. And then, of course, once you take it out, I would say brush it out to get that style. And if you want to reframe any of the curls, like if you brush it out and you're like, oh, this is too brushed out, I feel like I lost the shape in it. One thing is that your hair will bounce back to the curl pattern after you brush it out if you just finger coil it. So I'll just brush my hair out really quickly.
Oh, I can do that.
Yeah. And then if you want like to reshape anything, you just do a couple twists and it'll repop in the curls. And so you can, manage the shape and size that way. Cool.
Love
Awesome.
it.
It looks great, honey. Is there anything else I can help you
I
with?
could go out like
Oh yeah, you could.
No, I'm really looking forward to seeing how it turns out. This is great. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. So happy to help. And it was so nice to meet you.
It's great to meet you. Enjoy the lovely weather.
Thank you. Thank you. And good luck with your weather.
We'll survive. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye, honey.